Yeah baby. Oh yeah. You won't find a better car than this outstanding 2002 BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series scored the top rating in the IIHS frontal offset test. Don't let the drumming of road noise wear you down. Bask in the quiet comfort of the cabin of this 525i. It is nicely equipped with features such as 10 speakers, 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS brakes, air conditioning, alloy wheels, AM/FM radio, AM/FM stereo WCD audio system / 10 speakers, auto tilt-away steering wheel, automatic temperature control, body side moldings, brake assist, bumpers, body color, CD player, delay-off headlights, driver door bin, driver vanity mirror, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, 4-wheel independent suspension, front anti-roll bar, front bucket seats, front center armrest, front cup holders, front dual zone AC, front fog lights, front reading lights, head restraints. Memory, heated door mirrors, illuminated entry, leather shift knob, leather steering wheel, leatherette upholstery, memory seat, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, overhead airbag, panic alarm, passenger door bin, passenger vanity mirror, power adjustable front head restraints, power door mirrors, power driver seat, power passenger seat, power steering, power windows, radio data system, rear anti-roll bar, rear reading lights, rear seat center armrest, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, seatbelt memory, security system, speed control, speed sensing steering, speed sensitive wipers, steering wheel memory, steering wheel mounted AC controls, steering wheel mounted audio controls, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, traction control, trip computer, and variably intermittent wipers.